Hi, how you doing? We just got this PlayStation 5, it's 3 years old. Obviously it's already have a dry spot. It also have a nice history. It was a little bit washed down and it had a tiny liquid damage on the top part. We just cleaned up very nicely. You can't really tell it anymore, but yeah, it's something. Otherwise, the main problem is the HDMI port. Probably something was plugged in when the PS5 was moved and it's really big, the HDMI port. Let's quickly check if you have any traces. Usually you just have to check the two sides. If it's no traces there, then probably it's gonna be fine. We're gonna use a little flux. I like this brand. We're buying from RS, but you know, every year they have some favorite. This one doesn't make too much smoke. It's have a little 500 degrees, but you know, bearable. And it's doing the job. Alright, let's heat it up. 500 Celsius, so 500 Celsius and 120 liters per minute. Now it's getting colder, so not like in summertime, we need a little bit more time to heat up the board. It's getting cold in the shop, be honest. I'm not freezing, but you know. The best if you move a little bit the heat gun around the HDMI port. Basically it's a whole block of ground that can take away the heat very quickly. So you can use more airflow, but in that case we have a tiny components on the bottom which you can flow away. So 120 liters is the maximum, 130 maybe, what I can recommend, not more. And you just need to be patient a little bit, move around. You can see on the left side, top side, it's already started melting. Don't try to lift up the HDMI port, just try to move a little bit back and forward, very gently. In this case you don't rip up the traces if it's still cold. Yeah, this one is safe to remove. Now, in an ideal case, you already have the new HDMI port around you. If you forget, like me sometimes, then it's a trouble. So you still keeping hot the board. But even if the solder is melting, once you hit with the cold HDMI port, in the shop at the moment it's morning, so it's around 16 Celsius, 18 Celsius, just started warm up. The solder is immediately gets solid, so you have to wait a little bit, be patient. As it gets colder, it gets worse, especially in these early hours. Alright, it looks okay. We give a little extra time so all the pins are nicely warmed up and definitely make a connection. You don't want to do this too many times. Okay, we let it cool down, hold it there a tiny bit. Give a minute to board for coolant. Don't forget this. Still the ground layers is around 180 Celsius, so you don't want to touch them. This is my hands is shaking a little bit. You don't want to get too close to the HDMI port at the moment. You check a little bit. Check the two sides, the middle. If you are really not trusting yourself, check all the pins. It's only take 1 minute, but it should be alright. Let's take a look on the back. Yeah, it looks alright. It's gonna hold. Time to clean up a little bit. And we put on the test pad. See if we have a picture, but I have a good feeling. After a nice clean, you can tell it was replaced. We didn't burn around it, you know, it looks nice. Alright, thanks for watching. It only took 6 minutes. Nice time. See you guys next time.
Thank you for watching us. See you next time.